In this video, we will talk about penguins, birds that swim, not fly. Penguins are extraordinary birds known for their unique ability to thrive in marine environments. Unlike most birds, penguins cannot fly, but they have developed exceptional swimming skills that make them highly efficient hunters in the water. Their streamlined bodies, strong flippers, and webbed feet allow them to glide gracefully through the ocean in search of fish, squid, and other prey. Found mainly in the southern hemisphere, penguins live in diverse habitats ranging from the icy coasts of Antarctica to the rocky shores of temperate regions. They are well adapted to their environments, with thick layers of feathers and fat providing insulation against the cold. Penguins are also highly social birds, often living in large colonies to protect themselves from predators and to raise their chicks together. Despite their adaptations, penguins face threats such as climate change, overfishing, and habitat destruction. Protecting these remarkable birds is vital to preserving the balance of marine ecosystems and ensuring their survival for future generations. Physical adaptations. Penguins are perfectly designed for life in the water. Their streamlined bodies reduce drag, allowing them to glide effortlessly through the ocean. Their wings have evolved into flippers, providing the propulsion needed for rapid swimming. Penguins can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, making them formidable predators of fish, squid, and krill. A penguin's dense plumage, made up of waterproof feathers, offers insulation against frigid waters. Underneath their feathers, a thick layer of fat further protects them from the cold. Penguins also have specialized blood flow systems in their flippers and feet, reducing heat loss by directing blood away from extremities in icy conditions. Their black and white coloration serves as counter-shading camouflage, with their dark backs blending into the ocean depths when viewed from above and their white bellies matching the brighter surface light when seen from below. These adaptations make penguins highly effective in their marine environments. Habitats and species. Penguins inhabit diverse regions, from the icy shores of Antarctica to temperate islands and even tropical locations. Each species is uniquely adapted to its environment. The emperor penguin, the largest of all penguin species, endures the extreme cold of the Antarctic winter, breeding on ice sheets far from the open ocean. Their thick fat layers and cooperative huddling behavior help them survive sub-zero temperatures. In contrast, the Galapagos penguin thrives in tropical climates, relying on cold ocean currents to sustain its food supply and regulate its body temperature. The little blue penguin, the smallest species, inhabits the coasts of Australia and New Zealand, favoring temperate waters and burrowing into sandy shores for nesting. The diversity of penguin habitats showcases their ability to adapt to a wide range of environmental conditions. Social behavior and communication. Penguins are highly social birds, living in colonies that can range from a few dozen to hundreds of thousands of individuals. Their social behavior is essential for survival, providing safety in numbers and facilitating cooperative care of young. Penguins use a variety of vocalizations and body language to communicate, from braying calls that help mates identify each other to synchronized movements that strengthen pair bonds. During the breeding season, many penguins return to the same nesting sites year after year. Males often arrive first to establish territories and construct nests using pebbles, mud, or vegetation. Once paired, both parents share the responsibilities of incubating eggs and feeding chicks, ensuring their offspring have the best chance of survival in harsh conditions. Diet and hunting techniques. Penguins are carnivorous birds, feeding mainly on marine creatures such as fish, squid, and krill. The type of food they eat often depends on their species and where they live. For example, emperor penguins are skilled at diving deep into the ocean, reaching depths of over 1,800 feet to catch fish. In contrast, Adelie penguins stay closer to the surface, where they feed primarily on krill, a small shrimp-like creature abundant in the Antarctic waters. Penguins are exceptional divers, perfectly adapted to their underwater lifestyle. They use their strong flippers to propel themselves through the water, much like wings in the air. Their tails and webbed feet help them steer and maintain balance as they chase prey. Penguins can hold their breath for several minutes, enabling them to dive to impressive depths and search for food in cold, dark waters. Their streamlined bodies reduce water resistance, making them fast and agile hunters. Group hunting is a fascinating behavior observed in some penguin species. By working together, penguins can herd schools of fish into tight groups, making it easier to catch them. This cooperative strategy increases their chances of a successful hunt and ensures that even less experienced penguins, such as juveniles, have access to food. This teamwork highlights the social nature of penguins and their ability to adapt to challenging environments. The diet of penguins is essential not only for their survival, but also for maintaining balance in marine ecosystems. By feeding on krill, fish, and squid, penguins help regulate populations of these species, which can impact the entire food web. However, changes in the environment, such as overfishing and climate change, are putting pressure on penguin food sources. A decline in krill populations due to warming oceans and melting ice has a direct effect on species like Adelie penguins, which rely heavily on krill for sustenance. Protecting penguins involves addressing these challenges to their food supply. Sustainable fishing practices and efforts to combat climate change are critical for ensuring that penguins continue to thrive in their natural habitats. By preserving their marine ecosystems, we not only help these remarkable birds, but also support the health of the oceans they depend on. Penguins' diving and hunting abilities showcase their incredible adaptations to life in the water. Whether diving deep like emperor penguins or cooperating in group hunts, their behaviors reflect a balance of survival skills and social cooperation. Understanding their diets and hunting methods provides insight into their ecological roles and the importance of conserving their habitats for future generations. Threats and conservation. Despite their incredible adaptations, penguins face numerous threats from both natural and human-induced challenges. Climate change is one of the most significant dangers, as warming oceans and melting ice disrupt their habitats and food sources. Overfishing further exacerbates this problem by reducing the availability of key prey species. Oil spills, plastic pollution, and habitat destruction also pose serious risks to penguin populations. Invasive species, such as rats and cats, threaten penguin eggs and chicks in nesting areas. Conservation efforts, including the establishment of marine protected areas, sustainable fishing practices, and public awareness campaigns, are crucial for preserving penguin populations. Cultural significance and human fascination. Penguins have long captured the imagination of people around the world. Their upright posture, waddling gait, and endearing behaviors make them favorites in popular culture, featured in films, books, and documentaries. In some indigenous cultures, penguins are revered as symbols of resilience and adaptability, embodying the ability to thrive in harsh environments. Research and tourism centered on penguins have also contributed to a greater understanding and appreciation of marine ecosystems. Ecotourism initiatives that promote penguin conservation help generate funds for habitat protection, while fostering global awareness about the challenges these birds face. Penguins are a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Their unique adaptations to aquatic environments, remarkable social behaviors, and ecological importance make them fascinating subjects of study and symbols of resilience in the face of adversity. However, their future depends on our collective efforts to address the challenges they face, from climate change to habitat destruction. By protecting penguins and their habitats, we ensure that these remarkable birds continue to thrive and inspire future generations with their extraordinary way of life. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.